To celebrate 75 years of Ahmed Seddiqi and Sons, the UAE's leading luxury watch retailer and the visionary behind Dubai Watch Week, Ulysse Nardin, has created something truly remarkable. This is the Ulysse Nardin Diver AIR Ahmed Seddiqi 75th Anniversary Edition, a watch that's rewriting the rules of dive watch engineering. Ulysse Nardin calls it the world's lightest mechanical dive watch. Weighing just 52 grams, the Diver AIR is a radical evolution of the brand's nautical DNA. Its design draws inspiration from the sea, yet it defies convention, with a skeletonized movement, futuristic materials, and that striking blue colorway created exclusively for this Seddiqi Anniversary Edition. Built to dive to 200 meters, the 44mm case is made from recycled titanium and low-density carbon, with side flanks crafted from nylofoil, a material born from upcycled fishing nets and carbon fibers. The result? A timepiece that's as sustainable as it is technically daring. Inside beats the UN 374 caliber, a reimagined version of Ulysse Nardin's open-worked UN 372. Every bridge and surface has been hollowed out, sculpted from titanium to shave off every possible gram, without sacrificing strength. You can see the brand's signature X-frame architecture right through the dial, paired with the high-performance silicon escapement that Ulysse Nardin pioneered decades ago. Despite its skeletonized construction, the watch still delivers a massive 90-hour power reserve, proving that lightweight doesn't mean fragile, it means innovative. The Seddiqi 75th Anniversary Edition stands out with vibrant blue accents on the bezel flange and elastic strap, a color long associated with the sea and the spirit of Dubai. Even the superluminova glows blue in the dark, giving it a distinct character underwater. The caseback features a special 75th anniversary emblem, honoring Seddiqi's legacy as one of the most influential names in luxury watch retail, and a driving force behind watch culture in the Middle East. Limited to just 30 pieces, the Ulysse Nardin Diver AIR Seddiqi Edition is more than a watch. It's a fusion of heritage, innovation, and sustainability, a symbol of two pioneers united by time and by the sea.